So if you want to analyze data in Excel, you can go to the Home tab and then the Analyze Data tab. You click on that, it's going to provide this sidebar where you're going to have a bunch of what I would call automatic insights. So this will automatically make and provide pivot tables, data visualizations based off of items inside of your data set. So if we scroll on down and we say, okay, let's get a chart going here, we could pick any of these. Some of these are not going to be helpful for us, but just looking through them, we could go and say, okay, if we take one of these, this is kind of a neat one. So neighborhood downtown has a noticeably higher total incidence. So if we hit insert pivot chart, it's going to take that, put that into a new sheet for us. Okay, and if I open that up, you'll see that downtown is the highest in the mentioned neighborhoods that have crimes. And if you go all the way down through here, you'll see all the different formulas that make up this chart. And you can modify that if you want. What I'll do is I'll kind of open this up a little bit. And then for styling, I like that the styling for these charts is basically automated as well. If you click on that, you're going to get a variety of different options here on how you can style your chart. So if you wanted to do this, you wanted to change the color, you want to say, okay, let's do it in purple or blue or orange. You can pick whatever you like. There's a bunch of different styles in here to choose from. I think we'll just go with this. And I really didn't do anything to achieve this. All I did was say, analyze data, picked one, and then picked the style. So overall, really cool, super valuable. Definitely check out the Analyze Data tab. I hope that this video was helpful, and I appreciate you watching.